So I've got this vacuum leak. You can hear it coming from right here. When I put this over it, sounds better and the engine runs better. Can anybody tell me what that goes to? Does it connect up to here? Or does it go somewhere else? I think I'll leave that there until I know where it goes. Appreciate any help I can get.